In this demonstration, we're going to cover the topic of base maps in ArcGIS Pro. So right now what you're looking at is a map that I've loaded into ArcGIS Pro. It does have a base map called World Imagery. You can see that in the table of contents. It has some operational layers as well. Base maps essentially serve as reference maps for other layers that you add to a map. So in essence, they provide context for other layers. Base maps by default are going to come from ArcGIS Pro inside of ArcGIS Online. So when you go to Map and go to the Basemaps button, what that will do is load the Basemap Gallery, and every base map that you see here by default anyway will come from ArcGIS Online. And so it's essentially when you select one of these base maps, it's going to stream that base map directly into your instance of ArcGIS Pro. Now this gallery is customizable, so whoever your ArcGIS Online administrator is can go into ArcGIS Online and they can customize the basemap section, and in doing so they can alter what you see here. So they can add additional base maps to what you see here. They can remove base maps. In some instances, some ArcGIS Online administrators will remove all of the base maps that come from ArcGIS Online and then provide only base maps that come from specifically their organization. Other organizations will choose to supplement, so they'll add localized base maps to what is coming from ArcGIS Online, and in some cases you just elect to go with whatever ArcGIS Pro provides you in terms of base maps. Now when you select a base map, right now I've got, as I said earlier, World Imagery is the base map that's being used here. It's very easy to swap out your base map. And all you have to do is select one of the base maps from the gallery. So in this case, we'll select streets. And you'll notice it changes this. So it went from World Imagery to World Street Map. And then what it will do then is just draw that new base map in. So, and again, that data is being streamed. That is the default behavior when you're working with the Basemap Gallery, is that each of these base maps are coming directly from ArcGIS Online. Now, when you create a new map in ArcGIS Pro, that's what we'll do now, is I'll go to the catalog pane, right click on maps, select new map. That'll create a new 2D map, and each time you do this, you'll notice it automatically loads a base map called World Topographic Map, as well as a supporting hillshade map that allows you to kind of see the contours in the land. So anytime you create a new map, a new 2D map in ArcGIS Pro, it will automatically add in a base map for you. That's that topographic layer. That's this layer that you see here. But of course, you can go in and change that out as needed just by going to the Basemap Gallery. All right, that about covers it for this time. Thank you for joining me.